Are you spinning your wheels in Forex trading? Putting in hours, staring at charts, maybe even risking some hard-earned money, but the profits just aren't showing up? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Tons of traders hit this wall, and I've been there too. But here's the good news. You can turn it around. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to break the cycle and start stacking those wins. Let's start with a reality check. If you keep doing the same things that aren't delivering results, you're only going to get more of the same. Flat accounts, missed opportunities, and a whole lot of frustration. That's not why you got into Forex, right? So let's change the game. First things first, take a step back. Seriously, hit pause on the trades. Step away from the screen and grab a notebook or your favorite app. It's time to review your approach like a pro. Look at your trading history. What patterns do you see? Are you over-leveraging and blowing your account? Entering trades without a clear signal? Or maybe you're holding on to losers way too long, hoping they'll turn around? Get real with yourself. This is where the breakthrough begins. Next, let's talk mindset. Forex isn't just about charts and numbers. It's about you. Reflect on how you're approaching the market. Are you trading out of boredom, fear, or greed? Emotional trades are profit killers. Start treating this like a business, not a casino. Set rules, stick to them, and build the discipline to walk away when the setup isn't right. Here's a big one. Check your risk management. If you're not making profit, there's a good chance you're risking too much on each trade. A golden rule: never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account on a single move. Adjust your position sizes, set proper stop losses, and protect your capital. You can't win if you're wiped out. Now, zoom in on your strategy. What's not working? Maybe your technical indicators are lagging, or you're trading timeframes that don't suit your style. Experiment. Try a new tool like Fibonacci retracements or switch from scalping to swing trading if the fast pace is burning you out. Test small, track the results, and refine until it clicks. Don't sleep on this. Keep learning. The Forex market evolves. News, trends, volatility, it's always shifting. If you're stuck on old tricks, you'll get left behind. Dive into a book, watch a tutorial, or follow a trader who's crushing it. Adapt your game plan to what's happening now, not last year. One more thing, stop chasing the hype. Those million-dollar signals or overnight riches promises, they're noise. Focus on consistency instead. Build a system that delivers steady gains. Small wins compound faster than you think. Restart with a clear, repeatable process and let time do the heavy lifting. So here's the playbook. Step back, review your trades, fix your mindset, tighten your risk, refine your strategy, keep learning, and stay consistent. It's not about one magic trade, it's about stacking smart moves. Forex rewards the patient and the persistent, not the reckless. If you're not making profit in Forex yet, don't throw in the towel. You've got the tools now. Use them. Take a deep breath, make those adjustments, and get back in the game. Keep tweaking, keep pushing, and watch those profits start to roll in. The success you're chasing, it's not a dream, it's a decision. Let's make it happen.